Now making the header, first we have to make this links. So for that, let's go to the appendice. Let's go to the menus. Okay, then after that you have to go to this final menu, header. Let's create menu. Okay, then after that you can see we have this home. Let's add this menu here. Custom links, we can search for the about. Then we have these services, project, testimonials. So let's search for the services. Then here we can search for the projects. Okay, here we can search for the testimonials. Here we have the blogs and contacts. So here also we can write blogs, and at last we have the contact. Okay, now let's save this menu. Okay, then after that let's close this footer. Okay, so now you can see we have the two rows header. So for first we're gonna make the first row, then we're gonna make the second row. Okay, so let's go here, and here we're gonna make the first row. So here let's rename this header 1, and the color of the header will be theme 1, and its width will be 1300. Advanced. Okay, advanced, and here you can see we have this 10 and 10. Okay, now let's me copy this footer logo to the header. Okay, so in this way you can just copy and paste from footer to header, means different tabs you can copy and paste. Okay, so this color, if you want to change, just go here and make this orange, replace that color code. Now you can see we have this. Also we can do that, we can just add a container. Okay, and we can just name this to logo, and we can put this logo inside this. Now we can just add a new container, and we can put this to rest. Okay, make everything in the center. Now we can go to the rest, remove all of these paddings. Okay, for the first one, logo, let's make this 30, and for the rest we can make this 70. Now you can see we have to make this. So these are the icon box we can use. Let's publish this first. Entire site, save and close. Okay, save and close. Now we're gonna search for the icon box like this. Okay, now you can see we have this contact. So we can search for here phone. Okay, and this will say contact, and this will say contact at random number. Okay, let's put this to contact, and this will say to a random number. Okay, here let's put some colors. Let's decrease the size of this. For the content we can make this to white. Okay, and for this also we can have this white color. Okay, this would be like this, and for the title we can make this to 400. Now for the box we can just have the content spacing. Okay, you can just increase the size of this whatever you want. You can see for the content we can also change some different color if you want. We can have this, okay, like this. Now we can also make this to like this. just duplicate this rest, and we can make this. Let's add some 40 padding. Okay, now we have the email, so we can just go here. Okay, I have accidentally removed everything. Okay, let me try to revert back. Okay, so you can see, and you can just go to this history, and just if you accidentally remove some things, you can just get it back from there. Okay, now you can see here, we can just make this to pure white. Okay, pure white. Here also paste styles. Now you can see we have this social icon. So for that, first let's make this. So here we can just replace the envelope. Okay, here we can write email us, capital. Okay, and here we can just go to this. Okay, buddy, we have to copy this, go to this. Okay, this is looking good. Now you can see the other social icon. So for adding social icon, we can search for this social icon. Okay, and we can put this from here at last. Now go to the rest, and here make everything like this. Okay, now we can just custom, and here we can make this white. Okay, and here we can increase and decrease the size. Here we have the spacing. Okay, here also you can add some different if you want this. Let's add this. Okay, so in this way, let's publish this. Now let me go here, and we can try to refresh this. So let's try to refresh this. Okay, you can see, now you can see we have this one. So now let's go to this, and we can make this now second header. Here we can search for the header true. Okay, here we can write 1300 in center. Here we can make everything to white. Okay, now what we can do, we can just add 10 to the top, 10 to the bottom. Okay, and now here you can see we have these links. So we can search for the WordPress menu and just drag and drop this. Okay, now you can see here we can have this. Here also we can make this uppercase. Okay, and now again we can make this to black. Okay, here we can use some different like this. Okay, now you can see we have this underline text. Here we can make this none. Okay, now you can see we can make this to 700. Here also we can make this let's make this our color like this. Okay, now we want this button. So let me show you that we can copy this button from different section to different containers. So you can see, and I think it has some margin at the top, so let's make this 0. Okay, now you can see header. Go to advanced, and here we can make this sticky by going to the motion effects, sticky at the top, so it will be sticky like this. Okay, so now let's publish. Here we can say get started bro, get started. Okay, like this, let's publish. Now let's go to the Apex 2, and here we're gonna refresh. After this, you can see we have this header also fully working.